Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I want to have a place to mount this so that I can hang the bird feeder. And I think the best place to do it is just drill a hole in the base of this stump. Drop this rod right into it. Now if I got this hole right, this is going to fit. Yep. There we go. Got a little pine sap on my hands. I can see that's going to be an issue. Well, it looks all right. Now I'll just have to wait and see if the birds show up. Getting a thumbs up from my wife through the window. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.